Hi there, if you've purchased the book for conservation and development projects, at some stage you'll want to download the condev package so you can start using the examples in the book. Today we'll be looking at how we can do that installation through RStudio. All right, we'll begin by first of all going up to File, New File, Script. Great. Then we'll pop over into the Packages pane and we'll click Install. And the package we want to install is called Remotes. The installation usually takes 5 to 10 seconds depending on your internet connection. And what we're waiting for is a little blue prompt to appear in our console to let us know that everything's gone okay. That prompt is now there, so that's great. So we return now to the script editor. We begin by going Library, Remotes. So we select the line and then run it. Cool, and we can see from the console that it has successfully loaded. Next, we type in install GitHub Nathan Whitmore /condev, and that will download the condev package from GitHub. Okay, we run that. We can, watching the console, we can see that it's beginning to download just down here. And again, we're waiting for that blue prompt to let us know everything's okay. All right, so it's asking if we'd like to update. I don't want to update, so I can just hit enter. Okay, and we're just watching that installation happening now. And it's done. So let's check that it's being done successfully. Okay, let's go. So we will go Library, condev. We'll run that. Again, we're looking for a prompt to the blue prompt to appear down in our console. It's appeared, so everything's cool. Great. Now, if I want to check that the data sets have loaded, I can just go Data, empty bracket, and hit Run. And we'll see actually that a list of datasets has appeared. For example, attendees, clinic, demo one. These are all connected with the condev package, so we know that it's successfully being loaded. All right, that's all from me. Cheerio.